Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be tensioning the chain on my BMX. If you weren't aware, I put pegs on my BMX bike. They're both on the right side. So here, let me show you. Right here, I got one peg right there and one peg right there. I don't have any pegs on this side. I ordered more pegs, so I will have 4 pegs pretty soon. But when I put on the rear peg, the chain did become a little loose, so I'm going to be tensioning it today. Alright guys, so I got the shed behind me and I'm going to get the bike out. So yep. Yep, I got the bike out. Yeah, as you can see, there's kind of sag on the chain. But other than that, it's looking good. So yeah. Alright guys, I also have a ratchet with me. 17mm extension. Hopefully it should be able to reach into the peg and loosen it so I can tighten the chain. Yeah, let's get this on the road. Alright guys, I'm gonna do one more thing and then I'll be done. So I'm gonna have to grease the chain, and I will be using Rock and Roll Gold bike lube as my personal choice of bike chain lubrication, this right here. So yeah, let's cut to the time lapse. Yeah guys, so yeah, the time lapse was cool, wasn't it? Anyways, the chain is nice and tensioned, little slack, like that much. And then also, if you can see, the rollers on the chain is very smooth, which I like. It's very smooth and shiny, and my chain will be clean pretty soon because Rock and Roll Gold Lube not only acts as a chain lubricant, but also a chain cleaner. So yeah, check in a few hours and I'll go to Skyline Skate Park. Yep. Alright guys, and just like that, my chain is properly tensioned. Little to no slack, and it is perfect. No creaking noise and nothing. Thank you for watching. Peace out.